Encounter a QML file in an application source code. This is a declarative UI language from the Qt framework, powering beautiful interfaces across desktop, mobile, and embedded devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and edit these interface definition files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful QML troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. QML files are user interface definition files, written in the Qt Markup Language used for creating fluid animated cross-platform user interfaces. They contain declarative UI component hierarchies, property bindings, JavaScript logic, and animation definitions for the Qt Quick application framework. QML files use a JSON-like declarative syntax with typed properties, signal handlers, JavaScript expressions, and component import statements. The format defines visual element trees with property bindings, state machines, transition animations, and input event handlers for reactive UI development. The software default for the QML file type is the solution provided by the Qt company's Qt Creator. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows does not evaluate developer scripts directly, requiring supported execution software. Start by right-clicking the QML file and selecting Open With. Test Qt Creator first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some QML files are very particular about the opener. If your QML file still refuses to open, stay calm. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in Qt Creator. Install Qt Creator from Qt.io and open the QML file. The editor provides syntax highlighting code completion and a built-in design mode for visual UI editing. The QML preview pane shows a live rendering of the interface as you edit the declarative markup. Next, running QML applications. Use the QML scene or QML command line tools included with Qt to run standalone QML files directly. Type QML file name.qml in a terminal to launch the QML interface. This provides immediate visual feedback during development without compiling a full application. Finally, editing UI components. Modify QML files in any text editor with syntax highlighting. Adjust visual properties like position size, color, opacity, and animation parameters. Add JavaScript event handlers for user interaction. Import additional Qt Quick modules for advanced features including 3D rendering, particle effects, and multimedia. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.